That's how they figure how much alcohol is inside. This is like, because he's been doing this for like 40 whatever years. He's the third generation and his son's the fourth generation.
Today we're visiting Geu Beez Artisanal Mezcal Distillery in the Oaxaca region. We're passing through Santiago de Matatlan, known as the capital of Mezcal, and we are going to meet Crispín, the owner, and his son Daniel, third and fourth generation mezcal producer.
On the way, we see the fields of agave, the plant used to make mezcal. Here we see espadín, one of the most common varieties. Once the agave plant, which is also called Maggie, is harvested, the heart of the agave called piña is cut out to make the mezcal. One piña by itself can weigh up to 250 kilos, which is more than 500 pounds.
Here Daniel is explaining how they cook the agave hearts in the large pit, together with charcoal and volcanic stones, and then cover it with earth. Once the piñas are cooked, they rest for at least about a day or so, and this entire process is what gives mezcal its smoky flavors.
The cooked piñas are then cut into pieces and the unused parts are discarded. Then the left pieces are milled using a stone mill. Here we see Crispín and his employee hard at work cutting out the smoked agave pieces. At Geu Beez, Daniela explained, they use a horse to pull the wheel and crush the cooked agave pieces.
The mashed agave are then transferred into large wooden vats. As you can see here, this one is full, and they stay open to ferment naturally, only with the addition of hot water.
Once the fermentation is finished, the remaining liquid is transferred to the alembic for the first distillation. These copper alembics are traditionally used to make artisanal mezcal. Then a second distillation takes place to obtain the right alcohol content and the best flavors and aromas for mezcals. Here Daniel explained how the distillation happens.
Está viajando el vapor y se condensa en agua fría.
Okay.
Estos tanques tienen agua fría, tienen que tener agua fría. Ya que el vapor va circulando en una... Esto nosotros lo conocemos como culebra. Aquí se ve, se ve bonito. Apenas está cayendo en la punta.
Es poco a poco.
Sí, poquito a poco va cayendo.
Sí.
Con esto vas calculando los grados de la destilación.
Sí.
One of the most fascinating parts of this distillation process was watching Daniel use this bamboo straw, pour mezcal into the gourd, and then looking at the bubbles, determine the alcohol concentration levels in the mezcal. Absolutely fascinating when you think about the equipment and the tools that he's using.
Tienen aproximadamente entre 60 y 65 grados.
La venencia.
Artesanal.
That's how they figure how much alcohol is inside. This is like, because he's been doing this for like 40 whatever years. He's the third generation and his son's the fourth generation.
También busca la manera de cómo hacer su nido. Y ellos lo trabajan de arriba hasta abajo. Pueden comer
See, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not so strong.
¿Tienen vuelta?